The day full of excitement went to crap. For real. Okay, I just put my sheets in the laundry in the washer so I can start running that because my grandma's going to spend the night, which means she's going to take my room. She's going to be here in about an hour or so. So we're just getting on the dishes part of everything. So a little update on the tire shop. I went in because my tire met a curb, like I said, and it had a bubble in it, which means if I was driving, it could like burst or whatever. So my tire could blow. So I definitely wanted to go get that replaced. So me and my dad worked really hard on trying to, find the best place that would replace my tire at a low cost, have the exact tire I needed in stock or available within the next 2 days because there's a possibility I'm leaving on a trip pretty soon. So I wanted to get that handled before I left. And so we found a place after a ton of other places that said that they would do it. Well, I get in there, they're like, it's gonna be blank amount. And I'm like, awesome. Like, that's better than what we thought, it was gonna be. I get in, it's been an hour, and I'm like, oh my God, like, when is this gonna be in? And they call me out, Haile, we're ready. I'm like, oh yes, like, perfect. Like, this was super quick. They just had to change my tire. And they call me up and they go, okay, so your front tire is bald. And I said, excuse me, what? They go, your front tire is bald. And I'm like, that's not possible. Like, no. I'm like, can I please see the tire before we even decide to do anything? And they're like, yes, of course. So they let me see the tire. It was getting pretty close. It could have stayed for probably like another week or so. Just give me time to get home from my trip and have like the money to pay for it. And the guy's like, I can't like release your car until like that's fixed. It's like for safety, we don't want to be liable. And I'm like, I'll sign whatever waiver to tell you that you're not liable. Like, I'm not, no. And then they showed me, and I was like, fine, you know what, like, I'll tell my dad he doesn't have to pay for it. Like, I'll just pay for it myself. Because my dad and I came to the conclusion of he'll pay for the tire because it was cheaper than what we thought it would be. And I'm a grown up. I should be able to do all this stuff and whatever. And so I was like, okay. They're like, it's going to be this amount. And I'm like, whew, that's a lot more than what I thought I was going to be paying today. And I was like, can I please just come back in a week? And they're like, we just, safety-wise, like, we can't let you drive on this. And I'm like, well, you could. You just kind of want your money. I didn't say that, but they definitely wanted their money. So I let them, whatever, run with it. And I was there for almost 2 more hours after that. But on a lighter note, my grandma's gonna be here soon. So I just have to hand wash this pan and then wait for my grandma to get here.
Hey there! I'm looking for the next famous singer in America. Her name's Haile, Nicole. Do you know where she is?
Yeah, she's right here. I love you. Good morning. My grandma just left. I'm checking out my tires really quick. The tire looks really small, actually, for this car, but check it out later. Anyways, back up to my apartment. So I just got out of the bath, so right now I'm going to work on some short-term and long-term goals for what I have coming up next. And then I'll probably go over them with you. But it's kind of gloomy out today, so I plan on just kind of relaxing, and we have nothing planned anyways today, so relaxing time is a go. Okay, so I just finished relaxing and finished like all of my goals for 2024, both personal and business-wise. And most of it's just like getting back all the money that I put into things right now. Building my following back up, getting paid on YouTube, that type of stuff. So yeah, we have a lot of goals. I want to release 3 to 4 songs every single month. yeah, that's kind of my goal. So see what happens. Dinner is served. If it would focus, why does it look like that? Maybe because it's dark, but dinner served. About to go live. I'm doing kind of like a game night tonight, so playing Jenga, and then we're gonna play with a deck of cards. Probably play solitaire, because why not? And then we're gonna play video games. Let's go live. Live was super good tonight, like always, so I'm getting ready to go watch the UW game, because I expect a win out of my boys tonight. And then, and then we're gonna play video games, or we're gonna play while we watch. I don't know yet. But I'm gonna head to bed, and then I'll see you in the morning for a really good workout. Good morning, vlog. I'm deciding if I'm gonna work out indoors or go run outside. I think it rained last night, but I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm just trying to find a different workout routine that like makes me excited. Because recently I've also been, yeah. Anyways, outside running would be good today because it's cold. Okay, I showered and worked out, so now I'm just getting ready for the day, and then I'll update you what we're doing. Okay, so I've finished watching my TV show episode, so now I'm creating another beat track to match one of my songs I want to do. So we have a tornado watch. It's so windy. Of course the wind dies down. But look at that. So wild. Well, surprise, we had tornadoes tonight, and surprise, I am now packing a bag to go to LA tomorrow. I'd never do this, so let's just pack away. Good morning, vlog. So I am letting my tan process right now. I'm about to rinse it off in about like 10 minutes, but we're getting on a flight today. Very last minute, but we're getting on a flight. I am super excited, so yay. Let's go. I'm headed down to the mail room. Make sure I don't have any packages before I leave. Okay, so right now I'm about to take down the trash. And then I gotta finish packing a few more things, and then I'm gonna unplug everything that doesn't need to be plugged in while I'm gone. And then that's kind of it. So let's take out the trash. I have set this bag down like 10 different times to like double check that everything's there. And I've checked my wallet like 1,000 times. I think I have, okay, news. Oh God. Okay, let's go to the airport. Okay, a little debrief before I go to bed. I'm in my bedroom, which is also the studio, so
good if I have late night thoughts about songs. But flew into Vegas, and then the 2-hour drive turned into like 5 hours. So we're back here at 5 o'clock in the morning. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. Conversation got boring. Ha ha ha. So I'm going to bed for a few hours, and then I'm gonna wake up, and we have the gym tomorrow morning, studio tomorrow morning. I think that's what we're doing all day. Anyways, good night vlog. Thanks for traveling with me.